when a Bespoke Jet Bot Combo robot vacuum leaves the mop pads behind. This video explains how to fix issues when the robot vacuum leaves mop pads behind and demonstrates how to attach the mop pads. Number 1. Troubleshooting when the robot vacuum leaves mop pads behind. Ensure the clean water tank, wastewater tank, and washing plates are correctly installed in the clean station. Check whether the clean water tank is empty or if the wastewater tank is full. Fill the clean water tank with water and empty the wastewater tank, then install both tanks correctly. Depending on the carpet cleaning options, the robot vacuum may avoid carpets during floor cleaning. Return to the clean station to detach the mop pads, and then resume carpet cleaning. Avoid manually pushing the robot vacuum into the clean station while the mop pads are inside, as this may prevent the mop pads from attaching automatically. Make sure the clean station is installed on a flat and level floor. An uneven surface may interfere with proper mop pad attachment. Check whether the drum brush cover is installed correctly. If it is not hooked properly, the cover may lift slightly and interfere with the mop pad attachment area. Number 2. How to attach the mop pads. Place the robot vacuum upside down on a stable surface. Check whether the hexagon slots on the bottom of the robot vacuum is extended. If the slots are retracted, press the Start/Stop button on the front to extend them. Align the mop pads with the grooves in the mop spin boards, then attach them to the robot vacuum's hexagonal slots. From about 1 meter in front of the clean station, press the docking, recharging button to allow the robot vacuum to dock automatically.